acro gymnastics. Here comes Bird's Eye View. Here we go, entry number 145.
Between the lines of men and birds, out of reach, I live and learn. Between two worlds, there lives a third, and I am the interpreter. Translate limbs to wings, beaks to mouths, skin to feathers, and ups to downs. Little bird, little bird, little bird, what do you hear? The clink of morning dew, orange juice concentrate, crossword puzzles start to grade. One that grows, four-letter word is just not sitting. Little bird, little bird, little bird, what do you see? A picture perfect scene. Two-tone lawns are manicured. The garden's wearing a haute couture. It's hiding something. It's trying too hard, hiding something. It's trying too hard. Little bird, little bird, little bird, where are they now? Daytime TV lounge, a carriage clock, a mantelpiece, a family wiped up J-cloth clean, unsaid festas in the throes of the sofa. Little bird, little bird, little bird.
Thank you.